Hey everyone, I got some tips and tricks here right now. I'm going to show you could save some people some money. If someone's got a laptop cooler and say it quits working, say it just totally quits working, and you don't know why, you try to turn it on and that's what you get. Well, the first thing that you need to do is check out your power source. I'm not joking about this. I thought I was going to have to buy a new one. You look down. Now I'm going to try to turn it on and watch my power source down there. See if I can do this without getting. Do you see it? It's flickering. And the reason why it is doing that is I overloaded it and didn't even realize it. I plugged in a headset to see if I could get it working again. Yes, I did. But I also plugged in an old cell phone to charge it and see if what's on it. And one more thing. And sure enough, it was actually the power source. Okay, so that right there in itself is going to save you some money. Instead of thinking you're going to have to buy a new one. Plug it into a better power source. And we kick it on. And guess what? It works. Now, say one of your fans is messed up for some reason and it quits. And you're thinking, oh, I got to buy another one of these things. I'll show you something. It's very easy. These things are easy to fix. Okay, let's shut that down. Come on over here, you. Okay. Even if you don't have a flathead screwdriver. Got these little tabs on the back. I don't know if you can see those. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I'm sure you don't want to watch me. I've got a ton of screwdrivers, flathead, but I'm just going to show you this anyway. Bend these tabs up. And I've got a kitchen knife. I promise I do. And I'll show you what I'm doing in just a second. And it will make your thumbs a little bit sore if you don't use the right method. I think I've almost got them all. Let's see here. Now, of course, don't do this if it's under warranty. I got one more. Okay, and what I was doing is I took this knife here and I was just pushing up on these. Okay, so we're going to swing around here. Give me just 1 second. Go. May have to use the knife again. The blade of the knife's a little bit thinner than some of the screwdrivers, so I use it to gently pop the cover off. And this is what you have. Okay, now let me show you. Like I said, obviously don't do this if it's under warranty, but if it's out of warranty, I'm going to slide this to the side. Show you what this thing looks like when it's operational. And that's what it looks like. Okay, now say one of your fans has gone out. You can actually, a lot of times you can get hold of the company and purchase one. Anywhere from $3 to $5. You can go to look online for these little boys. $3 to $5. A lot of times free shipping. And it beats $23, $25 buy a whole new one, you know. Anyway, it is actually plug and play. If you can see these right here, it's disconnected from its power, and I'm trying to discharge any power it has. Okay, all you have to do is get in there and unplug these, whichever fan. You can follow the wires going around, and it's plug and play. You just undo the fan, unhook it, and get your new one, and make sure it's the same size. And like I say, when you order these, they will come in sizes. So you want to make sure you get the right size, otherwise you're going to be bummed out getting it home and it don't fit. But anyway, that's the inside of these. They're really, really easy to repair. Now we're going to put this back on. It should slide right down. These things are made, I think, in China or Vietnam or someplace. Can you imagine spending a whole day, each and every day, just putting these on? Trying to get it on where it does go into a slot down here, somewhat of a slot. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the cover on. Now what you want to do is make sure that your little tabs are straight so they will go into the little slots. Otherwise you're going to have it warped. And I've got a little slot over here too. Almost got my finger. Okay. Now it's on. Now it's just a matter of pushing these tabs back in. I am using this knife because, like I said, your thumbs will become sore after doing that for a while. And the only reason I'm putting them in tight is to keep it quiet. Okay. After each step, I always test it. I know I'm anal about that, but okay. We're going to go up. And that's as high as it'll go, unless go back off. Okay. Now what I ended up doing is I have another USB cable. And it is going to that charging station there. Now then, what we're going to do, or probably not, push this out of the way a little bit. I might be able to do it if I'm lucky. Okay, if I get down there and I can't get up, you guys can call 911 and I'll wait until next year to... I'm just joking. Today is not a pain day. I mean, it is, but not as bad as some days. I do have my good days. Okay, I'm gonna since I just connected it again, yes, we have power. And okay, let's see. I don't know if y'all can see that. It came on, and if you're sitting down, you'd be able to see it. We can turn the speed up. This piece of tape in here that you see in my laptop, that is to keep people from looking in. Even, I mean, with it off, most people are not going to look in, but you don't know. I'm not really paranoid, but still. I put it over my camera. As you can see right there. But getting back to this, it's working perfect. Anyway, like I say, if you need to, if you got one of those laptop coolers and it's not working, take a shot at fixing it. You can't lose anything. Now, I mean, since especially this Asian, I think is how you pronounce it, each one of the fans are independently circuited, so it's a piece of cake. Okay, my usual sign off: if it's warm, go swimming, because it's getting chilly out there. And if it's cold, find a warm place to go swimming. And if you can't find a warm place to go swimming, snuggle up. Y'all stay safe, and I hope this helps someone. I mean, it can, you know, even if it's to save you $19 or $15 or whatever, it's worth a shot, you know. Can't hurt anything if it's broke. Unless it's still under warranty, then by all means send it back. But it's not under warranty. And I knew that I could fix it either way, because the fans are independently circuited, so you can just unplug one and order another one and plug it back in. Piece of cake. Okay, y'all stay safe. Love y'all. See you soon.